Hiya, welcome back to Sunday Class by Maria. Today is a special video for me because it's a happy mail video. My lovely friend Tina from Pour Resin with Love sent me some happy mail, which was these 3 candlesticks from my Amazon wish list. And she wrote a note saying, "Thank you, beautiful soul. Never let anyone dull your sparkle. Love from Tina." So I am going to pour these today with Aquacast. I'm going to do them purple. So that's what I'm going to do today. Thank you so much, Tina. I really do appreciate it. When the delivery man brought something to my door, I thought, I haven't ordered anything, have I? And for the life of me, I could not remember what I'd ordered. So when I opened it and saw your note, I was really touched. So thank you so much. Bless your heart. So I'm going to get mixing and then I'll bring you back when it's ready to pour. I'll see you soon. Hiya, welcome back. Well, I've mixed in the purple metallic pigment paste from Team U. I have got another set of them coming because I am out of the blue one, which is one of my favourites actually. Not like I can see it the same as you guys can, but it still looks very nice to me. So I'm just going to pour. I've made up 500 grams and I am going to see how far we can get with. Oh, get a little bit further if I don't pour it all over the place. A little bit more. Right, now move on to this one. Smack that down a bit. Angel will enjoy pouring these moulds as well. We've just done her bedroom, so she'd like little candle holders. Obviously, she wouldn't have real candles in there, even though she's more sensible than me most of the time. But I wouldn't give her real candles in her bedroom, but she can have those battery ones. Right, that looks like nearly. Have it's got enough in there? Wouldn't mind getting one of those little vibration plates to put these on. Apparently it takes a lot of the bubbles out. But we will see. There's lots of things I'd like that I can't get just yet. And I'll find something else to put this leftover in. Right, I've got coaster mould. Just to pour the last little bit in. Right, so that's them all poured. I managed to get a little coaster as well out of it. So I'll bring you back when they're all hard and cured, ready to demould. I'll see you soon. Hiya, welcome back. Well, it's been a couple of days actually. I've been caught up doing some other bits and pieces. So these are now ready, more than ready to demould. So let's get them out. We'll start with the coaster first, as that was an extra. Yeah, lovely. Put like a sticker of some sort on that. That'd be great. Not bad for an extra. And then the little one first. Oh, that's cute. I like that marbling in there. It's subtle, but it's there. I like that. Nice. And then for the double one, oh, they are cute. They are lovely. That is so nice. It's probably the best marbling I've actually got on Aquacast. Really, really happy with that. Turn these moulds in so they don't get ruined. Always make sure you turn your moulds in. Right. Now for the big triple one. Demold so easily. Oh, they're beautiful. And they all match, which is great. That is lovely. And if I remember rightly, I made up 500 grams and it did this, and I had leftovers for the coaster. So for the whole set, and it's only 500 grams of Aquacast, it isn't bad at all. They are so nice. Marbling is amazing. Can't get over that marbling. I'm really impressed. Thank you so much, Tina. I'm so happy with them. Really, really happy. And a little candle fits in there like that. So that's nice. Obviously, I can't do nothing yet. It needs sealing. I will seal them with my wax sealer. I'm going to file with a nail file just the edges. That's easy. So easy to do. Then I'll get them sealed.
Serenity crafts by Maria, swirling colors, ain't nothing iller, lost in the pour, find my euphoria. Serenity crafts by Maria, YouTube channel, come and learn with me. Crafting is my therapy. Resin art got me feeling brand new. No longer singing the blues. Yeah, you know how we do. Let me tell you, crafting is therapy. Serenity crafts by Maria, swirling colors, ain't nothing iller, lost in the pour, find my euphoria. Serenity crafts by Maria. Come along now, find your zen, learn from Maria again and again. Serenity crafts by Maria, swirling colors, ain't nothing iller, lost in the pour, find
Right guys, they're all waxed and buffed and are ready. Absolutely love that marbling. I'm sorry if it's not focusing there. That marbling on them is brilliant. I absolutely love it. It's the best marbling I've done with Aquacast. So they are complete. I absolutely love them, Tina. Thank you so much. Like I said earlier, check out her channel. She's absolutely amazing. It will be in my description box below. I will link her channel there. It's Pour Resin with Love. And she's hit a milestone actually recently. She's got just over 1,000 subscribers now. So congratulations. Very well deserved for a lovely lady. So that's my video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you again, Tina. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye.
Pour the color